Hey guys, what's up? Entertain House here. Welcome to another reaction video. This is my Arrow reaction to the SIZZLE Reel, I think they're calling it. They do it each year, so hopefully they release a Flash one in the next few days because I watched season 3 of the Flash as well. So this is Arrow season 5. I'm enjoying it as much as I enjoyed season 2. So I'm hoping they don't give too much away, but at the same time hype up the rest of the season. I think there's 6 episodes to go. So let's get straight into it.
You won. It's over. Oh, good saying that one. What did I ever say that gave you that impression?
Chase has been in the wind for a week.
He's picking us off, one by one.
Who better
His costumes
the
there.
truth that those closest to you are fated to suffer for your sins? I put the hood on to right my father's wrongs. It was all based on oh hi.
Nothing ever really dies. It always echoes. You'll learn that soon enough.
Oh. Oh!
I was willing to do whatever it takes to save the city, and that created him.
How'd you think you were gonna beat me, Oliver? We were trained by the same teacher.
We have unfinished business.
Nissa! I've been waiting for that
I'm
showdown.
That's gonna put Chase away. I'm sorry.
Not that.
I already told you, Oliver, everyone that you care about suffers. Everyone.
Freeze, jerkwad! Sorry.
Oliver can't do this alone. Hey, kid.
Oh!
I'm glad you came back.
So, who?
Bloody hell, the writers are packing this season to be good. Black Siren, Merlin, Prometheus, Deathstroke coming back. That scene, as you can see by my reaction, is something I've wanted for a very long time. I would love for Deathstroke to be a series regular in Arrow, even if he wasn't particularly the main villain. If he was led up to another season or something, there's a lot of potential for Manu Bennett, and I love the character. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed. Just give a like and comment